So we don't do any cracking or popping in the office. What we do is we do something called activator technique, upper cervical technique, and Thompson drop technique. So using those 3 techniques, it will vary depending on which area in the spine that we're working with, but we're able to realign the spine, and we can show you pre to post pictures of exactly how those bones are in a better position. So the advantages of using a gentler technique is that there's going to be a lot less soreness after the adjustment. So your body is going to be able to respond and bounce back immediately instead of you having to go home and ice, or instead of you having any risk of any kind of injury. So we're never going to put you in a position where we could risk your body getting more injured if we have means not to do that.